Hello, I'm Karina with the Baja House Hunters, and today we are walking the progress of our newest listing here in Cerritos, Oasis Del Mar. It is a boutique property located on the only paved road in Cerritos and just steps from the beach. The model home behind me is currently under construction and should be finished by the middle of March, as well as all the common areas on this side. The pool is already laid out. The buildings behind us are going to be the fitness center, community kitchen, and a bocce ball court. And this whole area is going to be gated. What makes this place really amazing is that we are just steps from the beach. From the rooftop of the model home, you can see how close the beach is. And the road to the back of this building actually goes directly to your beach. So you can take your surfboard and be there in 4 minutes. The homes in Oasis Del Mar are now available for reservation. You can pick your floor plan and your location. Prices starting at $799. The model home is the first one to be completed, and the developer is also offering a lease back for 6 to 12 months. So if you want to find out more, this is not on the MLS yet, give us a call or message us or email us at the email below. Hope to see you on the beach.